Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grandma Indra's Recipes. Today we are going to make a sweet lassi. Everybody likes sweets. Now we will see what all are the ingredients to make a sweet lassi. Main ingredient is thick curd. I took 300 grams of thick curd. The second ingredient is sugar. I am using 5 to 7 teaspoons of sugar. And the next ingredient is some cashew nuts, ice cubes, and a little amount of water. And now I will show you how to make lassi. For that, I will use a mixie jar. Add curd to the mixie jar. Add sugar. Add little amount of water. And add ice. Now grind it well. Pour the mixture into the cup. Add the cashew nuts into the mixture. Wow, our tasty lassi is ready. If you like this recipe, try this at your home and send me a feedback. If you like me and my channel, subscribe, like and comment below. Bye!